How to see your password on Roblox in iPhone. So if you ever forgot your Roblox password and need to check it on your iPhone, then here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to see it. No third-party apps or no hacks, just your iPhone settings. So let's go. So basically, after the update of iOS 18, you can see the Password Manager app available on your iPhone's home screen. So it basically saves all your passwords of the app or the website you have logged into in your iPhone. So if you have saved your Roblox password in here as well, then you will get to see it easily. So basically all you have to do is tap on the Password Manager app and it will ask for your Face ID, Touch ID or your iPhone password. Simply type down and authenticate it and you will be navigated to Passkeys option available at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on the Passkeys and here will be the list of apps or website you have logged into. From there, scroll and look for the Roblox and tap on the Roblox and you will view the password easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.